Aloha, my name is Ozzy, and within the parkour community you might know me as the founder of Hawaii Parkour. Today though, I'm here to talk to you about something else. I'm currently in Nicaragua. I'm volunteering in the only non-profit wildlife rescue center in the entire country. Since 1997, this center has helped release over 2,000 animals back into the wild. And while way underfunded, their passion for this mission is so ever strong. Unfortunately though, a lot of these animals, like the white-faced capuchin monkeys behind me, are being held in very small cages waiting to be released. What does this have to do with parkour? As a practitioner of movement, I understand and I know you know the importance that it is for body, mind and overall well-being, that it is to move freely about the environment that we live in, whether for play or exploration. I'm talking to you about monkeys without trees. We're trying to raise $11,000 to help build some bigger enclosures for these monkeys to better adapt to what's waiting for them once they're released. So far, we've raised $3,500 and we have until April 2nd to reach our goal. Here's when we reach out to you, the parkour community, and here's how you can help. On the video description below, you're going to find 3 links. One of them is going to talk to you about Lolo, our dear friend who is the reason why we started this cause. The second one is going to tell you about the dirty business of the wildlife pet trade. And the third one is going to link you to where you can make a contribution to help these little guys. Now I want you to think of all of the times you've been inspired by the incredible agility they move through the trees and the forest flora. I'm going to leave you with some images. And while they might be a little bit sad, just keep this in mind. These animals have the potential to be released. And you have the power to give them a better home until then. Give them a tree.
Here's human everything here.